Try this pumpkin cheesecake monkey bread. It takes a few simple ingredients that you can get at your local grocery store. Very easy to make, and it tastes so good.
My God, what did you eat?
These are the ingredients that you'll need to make your pumpkin cheesecake monkey bread. First off, you add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice to a half a cup of sugar and mix thoroughly. Pour your pumpkin spice sugar into a plastic bag, set that aside. Now separate your biscuits and cut them into quarters. Place the quarters into the bag and coat them with the spiced sugar, and then add them to the fluted pan. Sprinkle the rest of the sugar over top of the biscuits and set that aside. Add a half a cup of butter into a 2-quart pan. Begin to melt that. Add 1 cup of brown sugar and mix that in with your melted butter. Add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Add 1/4 cup of pumpkin and 2 ounces of cream cheese and mix that all together. Now you're ready to pour that over top of your biscuits. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. And flip it over. Wait for it to cool and oh yeah.